You have come tonight to the most fabulous and celebrated place in the world. Here on the plateau of Giza stands forever the mightiest of human achievements. No traveler, emperor, merchant, or poet has trodden on these sands and not gasped in awe. The curtain of night is about to rise and disclose the stage on which the drama of a civilization took place.
Through the ages, I received many names from the people who came to me in adoration. But the name which has remained with me is that given to me by a Greek traveler, the father of history, Herodotus. He called me Sphinx, as if I were from his land, and that name is now mine.
At the foot of such mountains of stone, everything becomes minute and insignificant. Man is an insect. But yet, it was men who built these massive monuments, and the names of pharaohs whose tombs they are have crossed the ages. Their glory has defeated